We are deeply involved with Shakti Pumps since from 5 to 6 years in various projects. Hi guys, this is Lanchan, working as a project manager in Candeur construction since 7 to 8 years. We are deeply involved with Shakti Pumps since from 5 to 6 years in various projects in Bangalore, situated in Gunjur. And this is to inform you guys that we have got almost hydropneumatic pumps which runs for our high-rise buildings up to 33 floor levels with a discharge capacity to satisfy all our needs. This is to tell that we have taken the pumps for STP sewage treatment plant purpose as well as WTP water treatment plant purpose and for the central boosting purpose as well, where we have got around 20 pumps which is been deeply involved in our STP areas as well as WTP areas as well. So here what we can say that we have got such a pumps that it has not been deeply given problems in our construction. Has to tell you that we have involved the Shakti Pumps in our project and with a low maintenance cost as well as compared to the other brands, their quality and delivering on time is such a way that it has been good to us and there was no problem free. We can say it is as a maintenance free for us people. Still from 4 to 5 years in our project we have not faced any type of problems in our pumps. And as well as the association which has been involved here since from 4-5 years also, they are telling us that such a way that the pumps which is delivered by the Shakti is quite good compared to other products. So we can use Shakti pumps in our product in future references as well.